recent research, one of the things we've been studying is what we call latent ability. And what latent ability is about is that people often have more ability than their test scores, whether they be math tests, whether they be IQ tests, whether they even be performance in school, than those tests show. They have more ability. Now, you might ask, what would that be about? How could they have more ability? Well, maybe this example will help. You could imagine two runners who are running heats in a 100-meter dash. And one of those runners, in the first heat, maybe because he's a bit cocky, decides to wear ankle weights. And he runs the 100 meters in 10 seconds. Another runner in a later heat has exactly the same time, 10 seconds. They're the two fastest runners in the heats. They're facing off in the finals. Who do you think is going to win? Well, it's pretty easy to say now that the cocky runner took off the ankle weights that the cocky runner's probably going to win that race. The ankle weight slowed him down, and the 10 seconds underrepresented his ability to run the 100 meters. And he would run faster in the finals and actually have more abilities than the 10 seconds in the heats indicated. Well, we argue that a similar thing can happen with intellectual testing, and it's not from people being cocky and wearing something like ankle weights. It's from something that's beyond their control, from stereotypes. And we argue that stereotypes often undermine people's performance on tests in a way that prevents their true ability from actually showing. And what we've been able to show in our research is that if we remove the implications of the stereotypes, if we create an environment in which people feel they won't be stereotyped, in which they feel they belong and they're accepted, they do much better than their previous performance had indicated. Just like the runner who was wearing ankle weights runs faster than the 10 seconds in the 100 meters, these students who were handicapped by stereotypes or who were brought down by stereotypes are able to do much better when those stereotypes are removed from the environment.
Professor Stephen Spencer has conducted research on latent ability at the University of Waterloo and at Stanford University. His research has been published in Psychological Science, a top-tier scientific research journal.